You look nice.
What's up, sunshine?
You ready to wrap a car?
No.
You look dressed for the part.
Exactly. I had to wrap myself first.
What's going on, you guys? Riley here. Today we are revealing the wrap color for the Hellcat over here at Mob Auto Boutique, the place that is wrapping the Hellcat. So today we're here with the owner, Faison.
What's going on, guys?
And we also got Travis back there. Hopefully he knows what he's doing. He's taking my car apart right now. But yeah, today is a pretty exciting day. I mean, we're taking the car from a basic white color. I'm not turning the camera anymore because the wrap is over there right now. But we're taking it from a basic white color to something that's, well, it's pretty flat,
white.
Pretty flashy, yeah.
Yeah, not white.
Now, as with any wrap, you usually love it or you hate it. And keep in mind, this wrap is not on the car yet, so it will look a lot different once, it's actual body panels. But for now, it's just a big tube that looks kind of like that. But yeah, you ready to show them?
Are you ready?
I mean, I guess so. That's why they're here.
All right, let's do it.
Let's show them. All right, guys, so without further ado, here is the wrap for the Hellcat. An actual wrap, not just stripes. Kind of fooled you on the last one. Here we go. It's Mardi Gras.
Oh yeah, it is. And the camera looks a little green. In person it's green too, but it's got a lot of gold, silver, and blue flake into it. But it's gonna look a lot different than it does on a roll on the car.
Yeah.
I mean,
yeah, so this is called Gloss Fresh Spring, and as you can pretty much tell, it's like a gold, green, blue-ish color shift. It's got a ton of flake here in the paint. Let's see if we can take this outside.
it's heavy.
I work out.
Yeah, you did. I just broke the base.
Yeah, I did.
Who knew you were so strong?
So if we take it outside, you can kind of tell it's a lot of different colors. So it's going to be a lot of stuff going on. So we've got some plans for some satin black accents to kind of break up all of the craziness going on. I think it should look pretty good. I have yet to see a Charger or Challenger with this wrap done, which is part of the reason why I went with it. Wanted to do something a little bit different. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. Trying not to stab my fingers. Cool, it worked. Surprise! So Travis, what do you think about the Mardi Gras guacamole baby puke wrap?
It's ugly.
It's ugly?
It looks like puke.
Oh my god, you asshole.
Faison?
I don't judge the wraps until I see them on the car. So I've said it before, most of the wraps we've done, I personally didn't like go crazy for. I mean, other than when I'm holding my hand.
Oh, because it's yours?
Yeah. But it's a whole different color on the car.
Yeah. So if you can tell here by our tentative schedule, today we are disassembling the Hellcat. We're gonna try to wrap the hood, roof, trunk, and antenna. And then as you can see over here, we got the hood, mirrors, door handles. They're all going satin black. So we're gonna mix a gloss base color with a satin black accent color. And that will also complement the wheels here on the Hellcat, which you can't really see very well. There you go, now you can see them. But Travis is over here working hard, got the door panels taken apart, the mirrors laying over there, got the fuel door thing, that's off. But yeah, guys, there it is. So that is the color. And when I first said I was gonna do a wrap, a lot of people said, oh, he's gonna do F8 green, because I've always talked about, I love the F8 green color that come on Dodges now. And that was kind of where I got my inspiration, but I didn't want to just do an F8 green. I wanted to do something a little bit different. I think I found the perfect wrap for that. A lot of people were thinking I was gonna do plum crazy purple because I had a purple car previously. I strongly considered it. Faison really wanted me to do it.
I love it.
And then also, what was the other color? Oh, red. People thought I was gonna do red because I bought a whole bunch of red caps here for the engine bay. But as I said in the last video, I bought those red caps when the ACR stripes were on the car, and it was supposed to be kind of corresponding to that. But yeah, now we just got some red caps and we'll have a green car. So hopefully it doesn't look too tacky. I mean, the interior's red and there's still red taillights and there's still red brake calipers. So there's still red accents. We're just gonna hope that it looks pretty good. So now that you guys have seen the wrap, and I would say that's a pretty good demonstration of just how much this wrap color shifts in it. I mean, obviously real gold, not as gold, bluish. So it's got a lot of color change to it. It's gonna look absolutely crazy going down the road. And then there next to a satin black, you can see they complement each other really well. But man, I'm so excited. This is gonna be a ton of fun. We got all week filled with stuff going on here. I'll try to daily vlog most of it, and let's get to it. All right, so while Travis is disassembling a bunch of stuff there in the rear, me and Faison are gonna go ahead and start off with wrapping the hood. Pretty simple process. I'm gonna be learning as well as you guys on how to, wrap an entire car from start to finish. But first step, we're gonna clean the entire hood, then we're gonna clay bar it, and then use a alcohol prep pad, alcohol wipe, and that will basically just decontaminate the entire surface. So we're gonna do that now, and hope you guys enjoy. All right guys, well here she is with the satin black hood completed. Honestly, that looks extremely good. So for those of you wanting a wrap idea and you just want to do something kind of low budget, hood wrap is a great option. And I happen to know a guy who will do them for a very good deal. Right there. Just saying. So we got the hood completed. We're about to take off the front bumper here and then moving around to the rear. We're in the process of trying to figure out if we're going to take off the entire rear bumper or what we're gonna do. We're gonna take it all off?
Yeah.
Okay.
We just have to use new rivets on there.
New rivets, okay. And then we got taillights are obviously missing. Lower this guy down. That's all taken apart. So it's a process. Hi Frank. Hello. What you looking at, Kyle?
I'm trying to get spayed on to buy a CTSV. That's what I'm doing.
Zach, what are you doing?
Working.
Working? So from this side, you guys can see, it's kind of bluish, almost purple in some of the lighting. And then you switch this way,
Right, Riley?
and it goes to gold. That's so crazy. So we're gonna slap some color on the car now. First panel will be the deck lid here. So we got it all nice cleaned up. The spoiler's off, as you can see. Down here on the bottom, we have some knifeless tape. That'll help us make a straight cut down there. And here it is. Guess there's no going back now, huh? Woo, man. All right, so we got the deck lid pretty much finished up for the most part there. As you can tell, this color is absolutely crazy. Just kind of depends on the lighting. Definitely gonna be a really crazy wrap when it's
So crazy, dude.
when it's on the car. Super crazy, bro.
Oh my god.
Kyle, what you got going on? Just a little bit of clay bar action on the roof?
No big deal.
Faison, how's she coming?
Pretty good. Actually, not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. We're getting a lot more progress than we thought we would.
Yeah, making great time. Let's go over here. I'll show you guys what's going on with the roof. So there's these little channels here, as you see, and they have a bunch of 3M tape at the bottom. So getting all that out is a huge pain. Ain't that right, Jordan?
Oh yeah.
Someone's gonna say something in the comments, easier way to take this off.
Yeah, there's probably an easier way to do this.
Somebody's gonna say
These things look like this right here. It's like little flimsy rubber stuff. And I don't really know why they went with that design to do this, but they did. Alright, so didn't film this side, but as you can see, we have fender number 2 pretty much on, just have to do the trimming. But yeah, you see in just, you know, direct light, it's like a gold, which is pretty wild. And then if you walk over to the shade, it turns to like a blue. I mean, that blows my mind, it's so cool. And then we'll walk in here to the office and I'll show you guys what I'm doing. Also, Sean's here.
What's up?
Hi, Sean. So this is what I'm working on in here. As you can see, we got a little piece of vinyl. Oh, focus. There we go, a little piece of vinyl over here, and a little piece of vinyl over here. And then right here, we've got my wicker bill. So essentially, we place it on there, and I can't really do this all with one hand, but you get the point. You'll flatten it out, and then the Mod FX will show through in the wrap color, and then the same goes for those 2 little arrows down there. So pretty little nifty design, if I do say so myself. Okay, now you guys can understand kind of what I mean. So there you go, ta-da! And ta-da. Now, I don't know what I think about these red fasteners. I think black. Probably black.
You have some red going on too, though.
Yeah, it might look better on the car. I think the red might go with the taillights or something, but might try to switch out the red for black ones. We'll see. All right, so it's about 7:15 now. We started this project today right about 1 o'clock. We managed to get both bumpers off. We wrapped the hood, trunk, almost finished with the roof. Both bumpers are over here. Finished up the wicker bill a little bit. What are you laughing at?
Travis's group me sound keeps going off.
Oh, what else have we done? We got the gas cap off. We got both of the fenders done, and they're cut out now. So this one is completed. There we go. We got all the 3M tape out of these little, I don't even know what you call it. Yeah, little channels. They go all the way. That was a pain. Now, if you remember a little bit earlier in the video, I said that nobody here was a fan of this wrap before I did it. Travis, have your opinions changed at all, or you still hate it?
So I like it.
You like it? Kyle and Faison?
I never said I didn't like it. I said I won't judge it until it's on the car.
You suggested about 40 different other wrap colors, and that was basically saying like, hey, I don't want you doing that.
But I didn't say I don't like it.
Basically said that. Okay, Kyle?
Still ugly.
Still ugly, okay.
No, honestly, I really do like it. I never said I didn't like the color from the get-go, but on the car, it looks awesome.
He didn't tell you he didn't like the color.
Yeah, I don't know what was said behind my back.
Each other, okay? We hate it, okay?
Sean?
What's up, dude?
What do you think about the wrap?
You made a mistake, man. I think it looks really, really good. It looks better than I expected, actually. Because you said, well, what am I saying? No, like, because you can't really tell in pictures, like, everything, but, like, when you see it in person.
You did the sample that you had?
Yeah.
Yeah, the sample didn't do it justice.
No. You can't tell, like, everything. Like, when you see it now, like, there's, like, from, like, a certain angle over here, it looks like silver or something, and then there's, like...
every angle is just like a little bit different. There's a bluish there. Oh, let's check it out with the hood shut. Damn!
Ooh.
Check it out.
Damn. No, get right here.
So my main camera here just ran out of SD card space, so we're switching over to the GoPro for a little bit. But what I was saying before this thing cut me off is a lot of people were asking, you know, why did you get rid of the brass monkey wheels on your car, Riley? And it's, well, it would kind of clash, in my opinion, if we have, you know, some orangish brownish. I just thought it would be a little too much. So I think the black contrasts just a little bit better, along with the hood and all the other accents. We got the door handles and mirrors and all that fun stuff. So I don't know, I think it turned out pretty darn good, and I'm extremely happy with it so far. Yeah. All right, so Jordan and his fiance Caitlin just brought us some lovely Taco Bell, Taco 12 pack. And we are now starting on the driver's side door. Travis is over here finishing up the passenger side door. So that's the first look of, you know, 2 panels next to each other. That is what they look like. I'm about to actually put the Hellcat badges here on the fender because why not, right? So that is coming along super nicely. Then we'll go over here and check what Kyle's got going on. I assigned him a very tedious project.
Not done. Still gotta clean it up a little bit, but this is quite difficult so far.
Yeah, I could see
The
that.
letters aren't too bad, but this is gonna be pretty tough.
Yeah, that is tough. But so far so good there. Door's looking great. It's all going according to plan.
Yeah, I'm just used to stickers like I'm a
Look at that. And now it's gone. What the heck? All right, so now we have this door finished as well. And it's what, like 9 o'clock at night now? 9:05. We started about 1. I would say that's a solid day of work to get almost, a good majority of this car done. So we got the front and rear bumper and the quarter panels. And really, that's about it. So I think we will finish off today's video by installing the good old Hellcat badges from American Brother Designs here on the fenders. So let's hope I don't put these in the wrong places, and wish me luck.
See, he did this last time. It stressed me out. I was like, dude, I don't know anything. Like, he just doing it.
Pull up a picture and look at it.
Cause this shit's custom, bro.
Well, then put them wherever you want. You know what? I think they should go here. They will? Yes.
Okay, we're done. Thanks for watching. See you next time. So.
Yeah, it looks all right.
Ready?
Sure.
She's back to being a Hellcat. Because, you know, obviously wouldn't be a Hellcat without the Hellcat badges there. That's crucial. But that is what it looks like. Woo! Ooh! Oh! Oh, baby! Ooh! Kill him! Alright, you guys. Well, that just about wraps up today's video. Lights are getting turned off. And we are going to head home. I'm going to edit this video and go get some sleep. Okay. That's, yeah, alright. Whoa! It's blue! What the heck?
Wow.
Wow. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully most of you like the wrap color. I know it's not going to be for everyone, but that's okay, because it's for me. It's a My Hellcat. It's a My Hellcat to ruin. And I don't know. I'm just extremely happy with it. And great work to Faison and Travis today. You guys killed it. And we'll be... And all the free labor. Everybody else in this room had a part, except for maybe not Sean.
You recorded you doing that.
That's okay, that's true. And Caitlin brought tacos, so everybody had a part. But thank you guys for watching this video. We'll be back tomorrow with another daily vlog, and we'll be seeing how much we can get accomplished tomorrow. But thank you guys for watching the video, and we will see you on the next one. Take it easy. Hold on, act like you're working.